Hi, I am Pibble. Wash my belly. Uh-oh.
Here you go, big fella. Your favorite dinner. That's a good boy. Eat up now.
Yo, it's Lizzie from the palace, knocking on your block. Crown heavy on my head, but I still keep it on lock. Got pearls on my neck, tea in my cup. What? Even corgis in the back, no, the queen can't be touched. From Buckingham to Brixton, I rule with respect. You see the coat turquoise.
Knock, knock. Anyone home?
What in the hell are you supposed to be?
I got motion twin.
I don't think so.